According to the Yiddishkeit, it was a new world. It was a new
business.
Hi. Good. Hi. I'm gonna go to
I gotta go.
You just go.
I gotta go to work.
Yeah, closer to you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, any other memories of Koblentzer Rebbe?
When I was there, I was 5 years old.
Mm-hmm.
Born in 1940.
Oh wow.
And came to the DB camp in 45. And we were stuck there. Couldn't go anywhere. We go to Palestine, back to Israel, to go to the British.
Right.
And America didn't let us in.
Wow.
The gates were closed. So we built Yiddishkeit there. The Torah was organized. My father was a shuttle was involved with a newspaper. And I have a copy of that heading.
Wow.
It says on top that this is the mascot, like the New York Times. I wrote the news was written. 10 Yuli Mamlekas Kahani.
Wow.
I showed it. I have
What was the name of the paper?
Yiddish Stimme.
Wow.
It's just the beginning.
Yeah.
The Jewish, we preserved the Untiven. I had a picture of my father, myself. We built a sukkah.
In the DP camp.
In the DP camp. Next to the DP camp. We did Yiddishkeit. The Torah, the head of the Talmud Torah was a man, about 18, 19, who had just been released from Auschwitz. And he was told to be the Rebbe, teach these kids how to this. That was his mandate.
Wow.
So these were times of...
Mesiras Nefesh.
Huh?
Mesiras Nefesh. Wow.
Okay.
And that's what you had to hold on to, was the Yiddishkeit. That's what got you through it. Would you think you would be able to get through it without the Yiddishkeit?
No.
No.
No, those who do not have a room do not make it.
Yeah.
It's Chaim Hilam. This is when I give my talks to kids in schools. I end up with two takeaways. One takeaway is never to be despondent and then to give up. Number two is the importance of hanging on to Yiddishkeit. You know, the Germans wanted to wipe us out not just physically but spiritually. Like Yiddishkeit.
Yeah.
So it's our obligation to increase and enhance our Yiddishkeit.
Absolutely.
It's not my talk to the non-Jewish groups.
Yeah.
They will have a different message.
And what's that?
Hate, danger of hate.
Yeah.
That, the Holocaust did not begin with gas chambers.
Yeah.
It began with hate.
Yeah.
And hate grew like a virus.
Yeah.
Grew and grew until it became out of control.
Yeah.
Different messages.
Yeah.
I am so tired because of the medication that I take. I take medication for neuropathy. You know what that is?
Yeah.
So it helps the neuropathy.
Yeah.
Nevertheless, I gotta go to ShopRite and get some food.
All right. Yeah, I gotta go to work. But this was a pleasure
Anyway,
talking to you.
thanks for
Thank you.
listening, and thanks for being here. What's your name?
I'm Rabbi Kolakowski. Yitzchak Kolakowski.
Polish your name.
So my father wasn't Jewish, but his parents lived on the other side of Union Turnpike here. My mother and father didn't know each other. They lived 2 blocks away from each other. They didn't know each other, and then they were set up on a double blind date with other friends of them, and they switched. They didn't, and they switched, and they both wound up getting married to the person that the other one was set up with.
Oh my God!
And and my father was a policeman. My Zeta, though, who davened here, he was a parole officer. He would carry his gun here in shul and the weekdays.
Yeah, security.
Yeah, and he and my Baba, Allah Shalom, was they just put up the plaque for her here. She was, even though it's been a number of years now, but she was a nurse in the 50s. She was a nurse in Hollywood, and then in the 80s, when I was born, she was a nurse in Rikers Island.
Wow.
So me working in the prison system, it's it kind of runs in the family because my Zayda and my Baba both were, yeah. I've written a few
Okay,
books.
now I have a
Yeah,
problem.
yeah.
How do I stand up?
You need help. Here.
I'm on it. I'm on top. You know what that means?
Ja.
Yes, we get it.
Die dus in mijn kinderen lernt toch een saap met de vader. Zal ich laufen in de gassen, zal ich geschriegen heuer, Shabbos, heilige Shabbos. No, you know that one?
Sure.
That's from the Koblentzer Rebbe, isn't it?
Koblentzer Rebbe has a background. The legend is he heard a niggin from a non-Jewish
A shepherd.
shepherd.
Yeah.
And he said, I love this thing. I want this thing. And he bought it from him.
Yeah.
But you can't sing it anymore.
Well, what I heard is that the non-Jewish shepherd forgot it after once he learned it, and that was the simon that was from the base of
And what was it
Mikdash.
again?
Salah kakashma.
This was a Caliph.
Yeah.
La 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 di la 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 la. Shivon hadigdo shir tzion temale.
Yeah, I got to go to work.
I go to the bathroom. I'll be locked in now.
No, because Mark is here with the Gemara.